Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Janelle, and this week I'm showing you guys how to make your very own vegan pumpkin spice latte, because fall is here and it is cold outside. It is freezing, so there are days where I don't want to leave my house. I just want to stay curled up on a Sunday in my pajamas like I still am today and curl up with my dog, watch one of those bad cheesy Netflix movie and drink a good coffee. So that is why this week I'm going to show you guys how you can create your very own cafe like pumpkin spice latte at home without having to leave your house in your pajamas, because that is what you do on a Sunday. So let's just jump right into it, and I'm going to show you guys how to make this vegan pumpkin spice latte. To create our latte, you're going to need some coffee, pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice seasoning, some maple syrup or any kind of sweetener that you like, almond milk or another dairy-free milk that you prefer, and some real coconut whipped cream. This is optional, but I definitely suggest it. Start by putting a cup of your coffee into your cup, or you could also do some espresso shots depending on how strong you want it, a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of your pumpkin puree, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or any kind of sweetener you like, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then all you got to do is stir it up and reheat it if you'd like, depending on how hot you like your coffee, or I even suggest keeping it as an iced coffee, and it is so delicious. You will love it, so definitely go try this DIY. That was the recipe for my vegan pumpkin spice latte. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this recipe, or maybe there's other fall recipes that you like. Let me know in the comments below, as I'm probably going to want to try them as well. And make sure you're following me on Instagram, which I'm going to put somewhere around here. And as always, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back all the time with new videos. And I'm off to drink my latte before it gets too cold. But even though I think this will still taste very good as an iced vegan pumpkin spice latte as well. So either way, I am happy. But thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye.